What's up, everybody? You guys will be glad to know that I am done with the Crashbar, and here is a finished product. Went with a gloss black, and they did a good job. Only problem is, after cleaning it up, it reveals how bad my welds are. Which, yeah, it looks pretty bad in some areas. But I think overall you can't really tell unless you look right up close. But we'll I'll throw the sliders on, and we'll do a little bit of a B-roll footage of it, and then I'll throw it on the bike and then show you what it looks on there. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it.
Perfect.
Well, there you go, guys. That's the way it looks. Actually, not that bad. I think the next time I do this, I probably will do a better job at making everything more exact, getting all the measurements better. Maybe I'll use a heavier steel. I used a lighter gauge on this one because the first one that I made was pretty heavy, and I thought it was going to be too heavy overall. But I think in the end, a thicker steel would serve a better purpose of taking impact. So that was the only thing that I would change again. Other than that, maybe changing up the design a little bit. I don't know. It looks pretty good to me as is. Obviously the welds suck, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. As for my first attempt trying to fabricate something, let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked it or not. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.